Hey. You ain't seen me, huh, first? Had to go back to Young Bo. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, hell nah.
What's up, youngster?
Day one, baby. Let's get it.
Hey, we got work on 3. 1, 2, 3, work.
Yeah, baby. Let's go, boys. Hey, I'm ready for you today. I'm conditioned, baby. I feel great. It take me like 2 seconds to catch my breath. Hey, everybody get a burst now. Get a burst. I gave my burst over there. Had to walk around. Hey, 4th play now. Hey, Jimmy, come on, boy. Good D. Good D. He was coming to tackle me. Jimmy we had good pitch relationships, you know what I'm saying? Keep the tempo, White. One base. Ball right here. Boo. Hey. Ah! No good. Out of bounds. Hey, good work today, fellas. Come back tomorrow and get better. Niners on 3. 1, 2, 3. Day one OTAs. We did that.